Okay guys, we're back. I know you can't see anything right now, but this is part 2 of the best vlog ever. So we will get back to you. Oh, who's that? Oh, I know you can't see that screen out there, but there's some pretty cool crap on there. I know you can't see, I'm sorry. Oh my god.
Alright. Here, we're gonna go down there and watch the fireworks. But there's fireworks about to go on soon. Here we go.
So we will see y'all when they start.
Danley, what do you have to say?
I don't know.
You don't know?
This is the best vlog ever.
Oh yeah, that's the best vlog ever.
Okay, now pause it.
Take a moment real quick.
They can't really see much, but there's
doesn't matter.
There's people everywhere. It's just beautiful. I mean, this is crazy. Put it on me. I gotta say something. This is the real life. Make sure y'all.
I made that up.
Make sure y'all enjoy life. If you're going through something bad, just don't.
I know we're not FouseyTube, not
Fousey
Roman Atwood,
but I'm gonna make my YouTube channel great again. I'm gonna make it great. This music is inspiring me. Everybody stay happy, okay? I don't care what's going on.
We're not Roman Atwood, FouseyTube, none of that. But we will get there one day, trust us.
You stay happy, and if you are going through something that's not.
It's raining, guys.
I know it's raining. If you're going through something that's just not good in life, fight through it, okay? You can get through it. I hope you enjoy all my videos. I hope you enjoy everything that I do. I do it for you, okay? I do it for you. This, I mean, it's what I love. So I hope you enjoyed that speech.
Okay.
They're about to start. They're starting. Oh, you see that video whenever they go on. Woo! Wait, put it on me real quick. This is the life. Right here.
For all the haters. For all the haters, we like the attention. We like the attention.
Whoa! Boy! Woo! I swear, Jalen, stop. We're trying to get this good. Y'all see all that smoke? Look at this. This is beautiful, y'all. Look at all these people.
Let me take a moment. For all the haters, we like the attention. Okay.
Woo-hoo-hoo! That green sparkle. Oh! Look at the flash on the hotel over there. There's people in the field.
Holy crap! Woo! Woo! That's not all. That's not all.
So it might be. Oh, no, never mind, never mind. I knew that wasn't it. Oh, I love the song. What in the world? Those aren't even blowing up. Dude, look at it. It's like real bright in there. Yeah. Those are yellow. Whoa, now they're exploding. Man, those are loud. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is so cool. What if they blew up some small more fireworks?
I know, right?
I mean, I'd get wild. Y'all, I hope you enjoy our videos. We work our butts off for this. And this is just us enjoying life. I hope you enjoy everything because y'all can make me hit 1 million subscribers. Y'all can make me do Whoa! So all this for everybody. Let's go, baby. Woo! So loud. Woo! thunder. Woo! These fireworks are so much prettier in real life, I swear. So I think that's gonna be the video. We're gonna enjoy the rest of this. Dude, I wanna enjoy all of it. Gentlemen, it is not done yet. This is Greenville Drive fireworks for you. Woo! Woo! Oh my God. Is that it? Oh no, never mind, never mind. Everybody thought it was it. Oh, look at that. Long fireworks. And they're pretty too.
Metal detectors.
Why do they have, oh, they have metal detectors. I don't know if you can see that guy right there has metal detectors. That dude over there does too. So make sure nobody dropped anything on the field. Oh, that's not it. Woo! Look at all these freaking people. This is the life. It really makes me happy. I'm glad to be alive right now. I really am. You hear everybody singing? Woo! That's it, baby. That is the life. I hope you enjoy all my videos. Hope you enjoy Ty being here. And this is the life. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Sit back down. Sit back down, Ty. Never mind, we thought it was over. And the moment you think stuff is over, everybody gets up and they realize.
After this, I want to say something to them.
Okay. So pretty. Look at all these people. The building over there. Life is beautiful. Life is amazing, y'all. And please make sure that you enjoy it. What in the crap? Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Everybody stand up.
Skylar, that is for you.
Thank you, fans.
Skylar, that's for you. Skylar, everybody out there, pray for Skylar. Skylar, if you're watching this, we love you.
I hope you enjoy my videos.
Video.
This is it, y'all. Hope you enjoyed. Love y'all. You are one of a kind. Smile more.